Namaskar, I am Advocate Saurabh Kunal. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we discuss issues of legal and financial education. So friend, today we are going to discuss about section 113 of the Indian Penal Code. Section 113 of the Indian Penal Code is about the liability, the criminal liability of an abettor for a case where he has abetted for a different act, but the effect of that act is completely different, which he has not intended. So whether there will be any criminal liability for such an act, so we are going to discuss it in this video, and it has been mentioned under section 113 of the Indian Penal Code. So we are going to analyze section 113 of the Indian Penal Code. But before that, I want to request all of you that if you are watching this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell button to get notification of all the updates. Friends, I also request you to please visit to our YouTube channel page, because there are numerous playlists on different issues like legal drafting, CRPC, IPC and various other issues also, and very informative and knowledgeable videos are there in Hindi as well as in English. So please check it out. Now coming back to the topic, section 113 fixes the criminal liability of an effect caused by an act, and the act was done on abatement by an abettor. So here the abettor will be liable for the punishment, will be liable for the punishment for all the effect caused by the act which has been done in his abatement. So before analyzing section 113, let's understand what is given in the bare act of section 113. So let's read section 113 of the Indian Penal Code. Says liability of abettor for an effect caused by the act abated different from that intended by the abettor. Here the cause is different from the act which is intended by the abettor. When an act is abated with the intention on the part of the abettor of causing a particular effect, and an act for which the abettor is liable in consequence of the abatement caused a different effect from that intended by the abettor, the abettor is liable for the effect caused. Here it completely categorically says the abettor is liable for the effect caused in the same manner and to the same extent as if he had abated the act with the intention of causing that effect, provided he knew that the act abated was likely to cause that effect. It completely says that the abettor would be liable for any effect caused by the act which was abated by him, even though he never intended for that. But if he knew, for example, if A abets Mr. B to beat Mr. C, A abated B to beat C, B on the abatement of A started beating C, C got some injuries, some grievous injuries, and he was admitted in a hospital, and within a week he dies due to the injury caused by the beating of Mr. B. So here, even though A never intended to kill C, but the cause of the effect, due to the injury, due to the grievous injury which caused his death of C, so the effect of the act done in the abatement of A by B caused death to the C. So here A will be liable for the death, for the murder of C. So this is all about section 113 of the Indian Penal Code. So if you like this video, kindly like it and share it with your friends and colleagues. I will be coming again with more videos like this. Till then, take care. Namaskar.